Welcome back, guys. I hope you're doing well. I'll be showing you how I make my glowing black soap paste using black soap powder. This paste is very moisturizing on your skin. I used amazing natural ingredients, so it's going to help even out your skin, tone your skin. I have a previous video that I made. I'll also leave that in the description box, but I'm going to show you exactly how I make this recipe. So let's jump right in. And if this is your first time watching any of my videos, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos, and I have a bunch of other helpful videos on my channel, so please check those out. As always, I will have everything I use listed in the description box along with the measurements, and feel free to make substitutions that work best for you. I'm starting out with my black soap powder. Before making the paste, you want to strain the powder. Use a strainer to just remove any tiny bits and particles that may be in the powder, so that way you get a really smooth paste when you make yours. So I'm going to put this in a container. You can also use the black soap bar, but you're going to have to melt it down or dissolve it first in some liquid, so that way you can make your paste. Next, I'm going to be adding some raw honey. Honey has so many amazing benefits on the skin. It's antibacterial, antiseptic, and it's really good at removing dirt and bacteria from the skin. You want to do your best to mix this in. It's going to feel sticky and hard, but just do your best to mix in the honey with the black soap powder. Next, I'm adding my oils. I'm using neem oil and sunflower oil. Of course, you can use any combination of oils that you like. So I'm adding that in and I'm going to mix it in. So just do your best to keep combining the ingredients. Next, I'm going to add some turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is awesome for helping to even out your skin tone, scars, and just really helping with hyperpigmentation. I'm adding some cinnamon powder. This is good for acne and skin irritation. I'm also using some yogurt powder. This will help add some moisture to your black soap paste so it does not feel drying on the skin. And I'm also going to be using some colloidal oats. This is some finely ground oatmeal. This is really good for moisture as well. So once you add that in, just mix everything up as best as you can. I added some sunflower oil just to help loosen up the mixture a little bit, because it was a little bit hard to mix up. So you can either add some more oil and add a little bit of water, but this is what the consistency is looking like. So it's still on the sticky side, a little bit on the hard side. So I added a very little amount of distilled water and I continued mixing. You don't want to add too much water to the paste, so just keep mixing until you get the consistency that you like. So the paste had loosened up a lot and it was much easier to mix up. So this is what the consistency is looking like. It is much lighter and creamier. So I'm going to add my preservative. I'm using the Louicidal SF Complete preservative. You can use any preservative of your choice. If you do not want to use preservatives, then leave out the water and avoid water from getting into your jar. So I'm just going to mix in the preservative so that everything is well combined. I'm using an essential oil blend of lavender, tea tree and jasmine. Tea tree and lavender are good for healing and soothing the skin, helping with skin irritation, and jasmine just smells amazing. So once you add that in, just mix everything thoroughly until it's well blended. And this is what the consistency is looking like. It's a nice thick consistency. It's a smooth paste. It's going to be very easy to use this in your shower or bath. You can apply this directly on your body. You can apply this to your washcloth, your sponge, your loofah, however you want to use this. And if you want to turn this into a scrub, all you need to do is add some sugar. But this is what it's looking like. I'm going to put this in my containers. This made about 8 ounces of product. And our glowing black soap paste is ready. I'm going to show you how well this lathers. This is such an amazing product to use. The black soap powder makes it so easy to do your DIYs, your washes, your scrubs, without having to dissolve the black soap bar. And the consistency remained the same way days after. It did not harden up. So this is what the consistency is looking like here. And it's so amazing on the skin in terms of the moisture and the lather it provides. If you're looking to purchase authentic black soap powder, you can purchase on my website. I will leave the link in the description box, and I'll also mention some other places you can purchase from. So I'm going to show you how well this lathers on the skin. I'm just going to put some on my hand and put some water, and you're going to see how well it lathers. This black soap paste had a lot of lather and it was very moisturizing on the skin, so it will not leave you dry like the typical black soap. So definitely give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments. Reach out to me with any questions you have and I'll do my best to answer your questions. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos that I upload. And also please like this video because that really helps me out. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, be well and take care. Bye bye.